This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use public transport in Abu Dhabi. First, you'll need a Hafalat card, which is essential for all bus journeys. These cards can be purchased and topped up at bus stations, ticket vending machines, and some convenience stores. Remember to tap your card when boarding and alighting to ensure correct fare calculation. This system makes navigating the city straightforward and efficient for everyone. The Hafalat card is your key to Abu Dhabi's public transport. You can buy a new card for approximately 5 dirhams and easily add credit at bus stations or vending machines. Fares are distance-based, meaning the cost depends on how far you travel and how many zones you cross. Always ensure you have sufficient balance to avoid any inconvenience during your journey. It's a simple and effective payment method. Abu Dhabi's bus network is comprehensive, covering both urban areas and connecting to other Emirates. To plan your trips effectively, download the Darb app, which provides real-time bus tracking and route information. Buses generally run at high frequency, often every 10 to 30 minutes, ensuring minimal waiting times. Look for clear signage at bus stops indicating destinations and schedules for a smooth travel experience. For a more comfortable journey, try to travel during off-peak hours when buses are less crowded. Always be mindful of local customs and rules, such as respecting designated seating areas. Public transport in Abu Dhabi is a safe and reliable way to explore the city. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your travels and make the most of your visit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.